Hey, it's Daniel here. In this video, we're going to go over a Coinspot review for 2022. It's heading, as we head into 2022, a lot more people are coming on board into the crypto space, and I just want to give you, as a beginner myself, and on the journey to actually, especially if you're in Australia and you're looking for exchanges or how can you actually purchase and trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. This is going to give you like a 30,000 foot view of what it sort of is in my mind, because I'm a very visual person, so I just wanted to give it a breakdown as a beginner myself. And if you come across this video and you're thinking, oh, what is all this cryptocurrency trading and so forth, hopefully this video gives you some sort of insight of how things sort of go. Since I've been in the crypto space, like we have our traditional banking, like we've been brought up to believe, is all our fiat currency, traditional banks. So we're going to use our fiat currency to deposit some of this fiat currency into these exchanges. I'm going to go, obviously in this video I'm going to go over Coinspot. There's other ones in Australia, but for this video I'm going to cover Coinspot. I came across Coinspot in 2017, I believe, a while back. So it's going to cover just a broad overview of how you can get involved and use Coinspot. And then below there will be a link to get your free, $10 BTC if you get any value out of this video. And to help this channel, you can join up for free and get your free $10 worth of BTC. So with fiat, you're going to purchase, deposit some of that fiat currency, and I'll show you once you're in Coinspot. And on the exchanges, this is where they store the BTC, the Ethereum, and all these other altcoins. They have presently over 200 coins, and once you have these coins, you have the option to actually, buy, swap, sell, stake, and purchase NFTs. And once you've done all that, you have your wallets. So once you've purchased some coins, then you want to store it in like a wallet, online wallet or a cold wallet, which is a physical wallet. So once you've decided on which wallet you want to actually put your coins in, you have your hot wallets, which is like Exodus, your Trust wallet, Konami or MetaMask. You have your passive income wallets if you want to earn some interest. You want some passive interest income off these wallets, which is Celsius and the BlockFi. I think there's a couple others as well. And then you have your cold storage, which is your Trezor and your Nano Ledger Nanos. So those are your cold wallets, which is when you start accumulating more and more cryptocurrency, you want to take it off these exchanges or these other wallets and put in more security. So we're in the dashboard here in Coinspot. So as you see, just started out, got a cash AUD, $10 sitting in there. And if you go to the wallets, $17 whatever BTC, just new account. And as you see, you can earn your first $10 of BTC with the link below. So in the dashboard, you want to know how you can actually create or deposit your fiat currency to actually start purchasing these cryptocurrencies. So they have options here. The main options are the Poly, which is, you can see the deposit free is free. Poly is a thing you have to give you access, just a one-time access to your account. This takes you through the steps, step by step, giving them access to your bank account to actually deduct this particular payment amount that you want to instantly deposit at that time. They have the Pay ID, which is through email. You go there and add this as an email, and as the description in the comment, you put this particular number and it goes to your account instantaneously. See the time deposit, instant, no deposit, no fee. And they have BPay. BPay is just like if you're paying a power bill, utility bill. Do the biller code, customer reference, and obviously it takes 0 to 2 days business days to actually clear, but you're actually going to be charged a 0.9% fee to actually put your current fiat in there. You have a cash deposit. Cash deposits, so there's certain partnerships around Australia, in maybe in your local area as well. You can go to one of these like news agents where you can actually physically deposit cash, and that actually helps you if you. That has this logo called the Blue Shift. You'll see it on some of the news agents around Australia, as it says here. There's the Blue Shift, which they partner with, so you can actually deposit cash if you're not comfortable about doing the poly way or the PID, and then these electronic ways, you just feel more comfortable doing old school, doing the cash deposit. And you can do the direct deposit, which is free. You set up like a BSB number here, account number, and so forth. Coinspot, and deposit fee is free. Just set that up in your bank accounts, and you can view your deposit history. So those are the main ways of getting your cash into Coinspot to actually purchase some cryptocurrency in terms of whatever coin you're actually looking at. But as a beginner, you're probably looking at just not doing too much with it in terms of altcoins. You just want to get your head around the actual process of actually getting it done. Because the more times you look, you're going to see heaps of YouTube videos and so forth and theory about doing things. Until you actually go through the process yourself, then it will start to click for you. Because as a beginner, I remember trying to get through. I think my first time I actually started doing with CoinJar back in the day. So as a beginner, you want to know how to get these things done. It's actually by doing it. Like they say, the more you actually do it, the more you remember as well, because the more times you can take action on what you do, you'll remember it more, and the more times you do it, it'll become more familiar to you. So here's in terms of wallets. You're going to have your typical wallets here. They have buy and sell. This is going to give you what's all the coins that you can actually buy and sell on the exchange. At present, they have a good selection, about over 200 at present, and there's more and more coming onto the exchange. You can swap them out as well if you've already got BTC or whatever. You can swap them for other coins in the actual marketplace.